Question number 1. What is the default file extension of a Microsoft Word document? The correct answer is option C, docx. Question number 2. Which tab in Microsoft Word allows you to insert a table? The correct answer is option B, insert. Question number 3. How can you quickly access the Save as dialog box in Word? The correct answer is option C, F12. Question number 4. In Microsoft Word, which keyboard shortcut is used to bold text? The correct answer is option B, Control plus B. Question number 5. What does the undo button do in Microsoft Word? The correct answer is option C, reverses the last action. Question number 6 is, which of the following is a way to create a bulleted sheet in Microsoft Word? The correct answer is option B, Control plus Shift plus L. Question number 7. How can you change the page orientation in Microsoft Word? The correct answer is option B, layout orientation. Question number 8. Which function key opens the Microsoft Word help window? The correct answer is option A, F1. Question number 9. How do you insert a page break in Word? The correct answer is option A, Control plus Enter. Last question is, which feature in Word allows you to find and replace text? The correct answer is option D, Control plus F.